Hello, this is Tim Schaff, COMP2406A, tutorial 5. So for tutorial 5, we just need to do problem 3. Since problem 1 and 2 are basically necessary to finish 3, where we replace all of our old HTTP requests with IO, so we don't have to use the polling approach anymore. So, sorry, 1 second. Okay. So first we need to implement our server-side socket code to expect the blue box data. And we just put this into our server right here. You can see in server.js, it's right here. And at this point, it says that we can remove all the box handling data from handlers, since we won't need it anymore, since that expects post requests, which we won't have. And we can see it right here. It's just commented out. Next, in canvas timer.js, now we're going to client side. We need to put this code in and expect the window that we're actually going to run our code in, or I guess the window on the internet. Sorry, I just have something running over here. It's bothering me since again. Okay. Sorry about that. Canvas timer with JS. So should be right here. And then finally, we need to modify everywhere in the client-side handlers where the client uses post requests to send blue box data and instead replace it so we use the socket.io. Right. So this example should be right here in keyboard handlers.js for the handle key up and down, and you can see that we replaced what used to be an HTTP request with socket.emit to send the data to all the other, well, first connect to the server and then send that data to all other people connected to the server. And just an example, I forgot to comment it out, but just for an example, we can check an old version. This is one that isn't even unzipped yet. So, and we can see the old version, we use HTTP requests. And the one other area where we used those was in the polling timer handler, which I just commented out, since that would just reset the location of the box. And I don't want that, because as we shouldn't really need the polling timer anymore. And that should be it. Pretty quick tutorial, or a pretty good tutorial video, because now let's demonstrate that it actually works. Let's restart the code just to be sure. All right, and as you can see, you can move one box and the other one will move as well. And it might be difficult to take my word on it, so you can't really see me pressing buttons, but we can see that without the polling request, there's not as much lag moving on the boxes. Makes sense because we only send data when necessary. And we can see when the server handles requests of as many websites as we want, or I guess windows open as we want. So for example, if we move it to the right here, we will see there's 2 requests for X at 5, and we move it back, there should be 2 as well. And then if we had 3 windows open, there should be 3 of them. Right then, that's everything for tutorial 5. Thank you.